This is my dent diary. Today's a Friday. My niece keyed her name on the car door. On a Saturday, my aunt hit the gate and promised it was not her. I am wondering, are these even worth claiming for?
Every car has a diary like this. None of them ever worth a claim on their own. Until one fine day, a claim-worthy incident happens and all of the previous minor damages, like dents and scratches, get repaired together under one claim. Stop noting your dents. Bank them. Fix them all when it really matters. Introducing Flexi Repair. Bank the small stuff. Fix it all together.